Hello, greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's do this wonderful style. You see this base, you can use it to create so many styles, so many. So what is on my hand is asoke fabric, 4 layers of asoke fabric. So I'm going to leave the back open because of my hairdo. So if you want to close the back, you can still do it in the subsequent video. I'm going to show you. I will show you how to close the back. So placing it on your head this way, then you rotate it. The measurement is 70/30. One handle is longer than the other one, so bringing it to the front, I cross it this way, then I use that longer handle to rotate it and hold that short one. Okay, so I rotated it 2 times. If your own is long enough to go 3 times, no problem, you can still go ahead and do it. So I rotated it 2 times to hold that short part. Then I use office pin to pin it down to the base. Then from this place now, I stretch it out. Pay attention closely to what I'm doing. Okay, I stretch that part out. Then I started folding it inside. It's very easy, very simple head wrap. Okay, just fold it inside. Fold it as if you're twisting it. Fold it, then twist the parts, bring it down to the edges and pin it. Okay, what we did here, we are still going to do it this other side, and our first style is ready. You can see it, very easy, very simple asoke turban head wrap. Okay, so if this is the first time you're coming across my videos and channel, the person you're hearing our voice is Demi Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. You can see how beautiful that first style is. So don't go away, just sit back and let's look at the second style. And as I said, in the subsequent video, we are going to look at so many styles you can use this base to create. Yes, so please do what to drop your like and your comments on the comment section. All right, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, so that we will learn together. All right, so moving to the second style now. Just remove the pin, then squeeze it and you get a ruffle. Pin it down on the base. Watch closely what I'm doing now. Just squeeze it as if you're squeezing it, as if you're squeezing the material. Pay attention closely. You see what I'm doing? Just squeeze the material, then bring the edges down and pin it down. Arrange it and the ruffle will be ready. So that is the second style. Very easy, very simple if you actually pay attention to it. Practice several times and before you know it, you are doing it well. All right, so as I said before, please don't forget to drop your like and your comments. The person you hear the voice is Demi Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Please subscribe to my channel. Let us learn together. I welcome you all, my beautiful subscribers. Kudos to you all. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.